Happy Monday, everybody. We're back in the garage. We're starting this week waiting on parts, as usual. I know it's been a delay on the Talon project, where we're at. Tried to order some aftermarket brackets, or from another retailer. Nobody has anything in stock. Honda should be in today, so hopefully tomorrow we can get the front end back on that thing, get it all lined up, and get ready to go. Guys, happy Tuesday night. Good evening. Here we are. We're back in the shop. Talon time. We had some delays, some shipping from Honda. Bang. But we got our parts. These little brackets. Yeah, this one's bent like that. Yeah, they're a little different. And mangled and angles are all. See, this one, big differences. But we have the two new brackets to line this front end back up. We've been waiting over a week now so we can get everything set back in place where it needs to be. So we've got to repair this a little bit on the headlight, and clean some stuff up. But we're getting there. Finally got parts. Still got to straighten the fender out, but I didn't want to do that until we had the brackets to bolt everything up to. I'm going to jump on this, try to get it together. I wanted to have it ready for last weekend, but we're shooting for this weekend. There's supposed to be a ride. We're going to try to get there. I'm anxious. I just want to ride this thing, see how it handles, see what it does. But we're here. I'm going to move this thing up closer to tools. It's not like it makes much of a difference, but it's nicer. We're going to do that. Get to work. Let's go. There we are. Everything is one smooth transition. I gotta get my heat gun, work that bubble out. Everything lined up, bolted down easy. Just waiting. I'm gonna go through my light bars. I'm gonna see if I got something that'll fit in here. Because once you have light, it's hard to go back. I want something down here. And I'm trying to figure out something on the back. If any of you have a Talon with light bars and you have a reverse light, drop a link, tell me something in the description, send me some pictures. I need some ideas. I don't know what to do in the back. I'm also thinking about doing, rock lights, all four corners. Just got to see. We do a lot of night riding. And that's the main thing. So that's the goal. Let's see how this hood fits. That's the main thing. If we took care of the hood issue. That's why we waited a week and a half. Where's these pins at? That's perfect. Everything. Excuse me. There's no cowl panel here to clip it into, but as you see, everything lays, clips in place. This side, it's got a little bit of a gap, but once I take this heat gun and push this warp out, it'll be okay. And you have to live with that. But we got our snap-on sticker. As you can tell, we like some things around here, but it looks a lot better, and it's going to be a mean machine. Next step, lights. I'm going to wire some relays, stuff like that. But now I can put on the upper cage. I'm going to hold off on the windshield to run lights, see what I have for that. So let's get to it, go boys and girls. Alright, we're back. I've been messing around with some ideas. We got some of these little 6 pods. And I'm thinking for pillar mounts. This is just a big bracket I'd laying around. Run off the cage bolts. And do, well, I got the bracket on backwards. But, you know, something like that. One on each side of the cage. As well with like rear rock lights. I got these ones down here. Same thing. I want to get something a little bit bigger than these for up top. You know, something high center. Shoot straight back. And I'm also thinking 6-inch, basically 2 of these right there. I'm thinking that should get me covered. A 6-inch here, pillar pods. Might look into rock lights. I'm gonna go online, see what I can find. If I can just do, you know, 4-corner rock lights instead of these pods, so they don't fit exactly. I'm gonna see what I can do for a big rear light. I would normally do a full-size light bar across the top or across the bottom, depending where it fits. But I have the full glass windshield and I can't exactly do that. Just working out my options. But we're gonna call it a night. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And we'll be back. We'll see ya. Have a good night, guys.